ladies, how you doing? So I have a wig review. Yes, this seems to be a very popular wig because it took me forever to get my hands on this particular wig. So this is the Bobbie Boss. Can't even get it out. I seen Boss wig, so it threw me off. But this is the Bobbie Boss wig premium wig collection. Guys, this is the Kim wig. Everybody in their mother loves this wig. I just want to say thank you to the folks over at Sam's Beauty. They are the best. Love them so much. Sam's Beauty, their customer service is amazing. That's not even a word, but you know what I mean. But let's get back into this wig. This wig is a nice, sleek, straight middle part wig. I'm just looking at her. I'm looking at the texture through the plastic. I am like so ready for this wig. Let's get into it. I didn't get a 1B, y'all, and I didn't get no color. I got a number 2. So that's kind of like, you know, a little bit lighter than a 1B. Just a little bit, nothing too fancy. But I wanted a wig that if I wanted to wear it to work. This may be a little bit too long for work for me and what I do at my job. But it could be a nice weekend wig, and it could be a wig that I can wear with a hat. So I was thinking about a lot of different things about this particular wig. Let's get into it. Normal packaging, you know how we like it. Nothing too crazy. A nice stock card giving you care instructions and all the good jazz behind the wig, and that you can definitely put some heat on her because she can take a little heat. Ooh, yeah, she's long. She's already in my lap. So normal netting to protect the wig. Let's see how she looks on the inside. She is a lace part wig. Okay, she's a full cap. Let's get into it. Let me turn her around. Normal wig cap construction. A comb in the back with adjustable straps. 2 combs at the actual temple. And I can use these combs because the way I have my hair braided, so that's pretty good. And I do have a middle part braid, so that works out well. So yeah, it's a little bit of lace, nothing to run home about, just enough for you to have that really good parting. And let's see how it looks. Let me look in the mirror. So in the mirror here, it looks good. So I'm not sure what the camera is picking up. So that looks really good. You know, it doesn't look too close together and it doesn't look too far apart. Okay. So I'm going to take off this stock card and we're going to put her on. Okay, ladies, I have her on and I like her. Now, let me get into this. There's a lot of texture in this. This is like a yaki straight type texture. This looks really good. Let me get in so I can like show you. This looks really good. What I do like, I'm looking in the mirror just to kind of get a feel of what I'm going to be telling you guys. This goes way down. Like when I say way down, this is like right here. So again, I'm only 5'2". I have a really short torso. So this is long. This is almost hitting my waist. But this is long. Okay. I like the long layers. There's a lot of layers in here. You would definitely have to be mindful of this particular unit because it can get tangled. I can see the tangle activity going on. But nevertheless, if you are like how I have this particular shirt on right here, I don't see the hair getting too tangled because you don't have much going on. I'm looking in the viewfinder. I'm looking over here. I'm looking at you. I'm trying to get all angles of this hair because it is giving me all kind of like middle part, straight, sleek. That's that look. I love this with a red lip. Oh God, white collar shirt, blue jeans, and some pumps. Love it, y'all. That's my look. I love it. Okay, back into it as long. I like it. Let's get into the part. So the parting here, I think I made a boo-boo when I put the actual wig on. I might have pulled some hair from over here. So I'm kind of messed up. I don't have a comb in here with me. I'm just pretty much using my fingers to do this particular unit because I didn't want to use a comb because normally when you use a comb or a brush, you kind of manipulating the hair and you might, you know, pull out strands that don't need to be coming out right just yet. So I wanted to just use my fingers to see how it would maneuver with just, you know, me using my fingers and just detangling it. Okay, so far so good. I don't have any complaints. I like it. And the parting is pretty good and it feels snug on my head. I do have fresh braids in right now, so I'm feeling myself. It's not like having fresh braids under your wig, right? Make you feel so good. It's like a new outfit, right? Like I said, ladies, this is the Kim wig by Bobbi Boss. This is their Boss Wig Premium Synthetic Wig Collection. It looks really good. Just think you got one going to the back. Let's get this shoulder out. What? This looks good. I like it. Really, really nice, right? What you guys think? So, guys, I'm gonna leave all the information down below about this particular wig. Guys, this is really, really cute. This is a 4-inch deep part hand tied lace. I forgot to mention that. I want to give you all the details on this particular unit because it's really, really cute. It's really, really affordable. I'm gonna leave all the links down below so you can check it out. Get one for yourself. They come in all kind of colors, but you know me, I like to keep it real simple when we're a wig, right? Real simple. So, hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.